At first, sketchbooks were to me just intimidating blank pages calling for perfection. But today I know they are like diaries, ready to be filled up with incredible moments. Cześć! My name is Gabriela Niko. I'm an illustrator and sketchbook artist specializing in portraiture. I work mostly on book illustrations, art commissions and tutorials. I also share my knowledge and passion for drawing on social media. My main topic is people, their beauty, diversity, expressions and emotions. I want to look at every person and truly see them. Studying their faces make me like and understand them more. Using colored pencils, I also experiment with unusual tones, such as blues and greens on the face or a very playful color palette of the hair. If the values are correct, even the most unexpected choices can work together. Creating contrast with different shades and tints is what holds the picture together. In this Domestika course, you will learn semi-realistic portraiture by using colored pencils and a sketchbook. For the final project, you'll draw a person's face based on a photograph. First, we will talk about how to prepare your mind for an effective practice and how to use colored pencils. Then we will go through the basics of color theory and the importance of values and contrast. I will also explain the fundamentals of head proportions, face features, and how to draw different hairstyles. Next, we will see how to pick the best reference photo and the differences between stylized and realistic portraits. Then we'll be ready to create our initial sketch. Time to apply color! We'll start with a base, using cool and warm tones, and distribute the hues on face. Then we will darken the values with both planes and lines, and play with saturation and contrast techniques. Lastly, we will add the details and the final touches. Once we're finished, you'll photograph and edit your portrait and get to know my tips on social media. By the end of this course, you'll have new possibilities to come up with fun color compositions and turn your reference images into art. Encourage yourself to fill your sketchbook with colorful portraits.